Flying Dutchman whole grilled onion wrapped. Oh. So cute. Ooh. Well, it fell apart. So let's see if I can get this in one bite. I love these little baby ones. Ooh. All right. Yep.